For the first step, cover up your clothes by wearing lab coat, closed-toe shoes and pants, medical hair cover, eye goggle, face mask, and gloves. Before you start dissecting, do not forget to prepare your tools: scissor, scalpel, tweezer or forceps, probe, spatula, pins, and magnifying glass. After that, rinse the squid properly. First, observe the squid as a whole. Identify the dorsal side of the squid. The dorsal side has darker shading than the ventral side. Identify the following features of the squid. This is the mantle, the part of the squid's body that is not the arms and the tentacles. It is just above the head of the squid and it holds all the squid's internal organs. The funnel is the part of the squid that allows it to move, squirt ink, lay eggs, and excrete waste. It pumps seawater out of the mantle through the funnel to propel itself forward. A squid has two fins at the very top of the mantle and uses them to direct its movements through the water. You can see a lot of dots. This part is called chromatophores, are tiny dots on the skin of the squid that can be expanded and contracted by the squid to change the color of its skin. These dots are actually small sacs filled with pigment or color. Second, count the number of arms and tentacles. You may notice that there are two different types of arms. Some are longer than others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The shorter projections that have suckers all along them are called arms. The longer projections with suckers only at the ends are called tentacles. The tentacles are used to capture prey, while the suction cups on the arms are used to hold onto the prey and bring the food to the mouth. Third, look at the suction cups with a magnifying glass. Cut off one of the suckers from a tentacle and observe it through the magnifying glass. You should notice that the suction cup actually has small teeth all along its outer edge. These are used to hold onto prey after capture to prevent its escape. Observe multiple suckers from both the arms and the tentacles to see if they differ. Fourth, locate the beak inside the squid's mouth. The mouth can be found in the center of the arms. Then, locate the beak inside the squid's mouth. The beak is surrounded by a muscular mass called buccal bulb. Notice how sharp the beak is. It is used to tear prey apart. Look for the radula inside the beak. The radula has rows of sharp teeth on it that helps the squid shred its food as it swallows it. The buccal bulb is also attached to a long tube that is the squid's esophagus. Lastly, cut open the eyes. Look at the size and location of the eyes on the squid. You'll notice they are quite large in comparison to their head. Snip the cornea, or the soft membrane covering the eye, and find the lens inside. Using your finger, you should feel something hard inside the eye. This is the lens. Pull it out and compare the lens of the squid to that of a round human lens. First, cut up through the mantle. Try to hold the top of the mantle up to avoid cutting through any of the internal organs. Using the dissection scissors, cut down the middle of the mantle, starting at the funnel and finishing at the top. Once you have sliced the mantle, you can fold the sides over and view the internal organs of the squid. If it doesn't fall open, they may be cartilage still holding the mantle in place. These pieces can easily be pulled apart with your fingers. Second, locate the two gills and gill hearts. On either side of the body cavity, there will be a feathery-like structure that is the gills of the squid. These are used for breathing and getting oxygen throughout the squid's body. A squid has 3 hearts, and 2 of them are located at the base of each gill. Technically, They are called branchial hearts, but they are often referred to as the gill hearts. The third heart is called systematic heart. It is larger and located between the two gill hearts. It may be obscured by the kidney, which is in the same location and may cover the heart. Third, identify the gender of your squid. This time I have a female squid. Female squid will have eggs inside the ovaries that are yellowish in color and look like jelly. Females also have a large white organ called the nidomental gland above the ovary, which helps secrete egg cases. Fourth, dissect the digestive system. The digestive system of the squid consists of stomach, intestine, anus, and funnel. The intestine and anus process the food and connect to the funnel, where the waste is disposed of. And this is the skirt or funnel interlock. While this one is the funnel retractor muscle, which allows the squid to move, direct, and create jet stream of water through its funnel. Fifth, find the ink sac. The ink sac is attached in the intestine of the squid. It is relatively easy to find given its dark color. Remove the sac by cutting just above and below it, being careful not to puncture it. The ink is used as a defense against predators. A squid will squirt it into the water and then turn black using its chromatophores to blend in. Once it is removed, you can pierce it and write anything with squid ink. Sixth, remove the pen. The pen is a stiff internal structure that is used to support the squid as it moves through the water. It is found underneath the muscles and the organs, starting near the reproductive organs. It can be removed by gently tugging the tip until it comes out, or by removing the internal organs for you to remove the pen easily. And for the last step, clean up. Of course, once you have finished dissecting your squid, remove your gloves and other waste and dispose it. Carefully clean the tools and wash your hands after finishing the cleanup.